Okay, we're going to have a look at an isometric hip flexion extension exercise using a stick. So any kind of stick, baseball bat, golf club, anything that you can put in there that's going to be nice and strong. And I'll show you as well a variation you can do using just your arm. So what we want to do is just take in that stick and put it underneath one knee, and then bring the other knee up into contact with it from the other side. And then just kind of stabilizing that with your hands. You're going to push down with one leg and drive up with the other knee. So you're just kind of trying to create as much force as you can against essentially an immovable object. So this is isometric hip strengthening. And we want to take a breath in and kind of exhale as you scissor your legs together there. So typically we'll switch sides and kind of carry on from there. I'll just show you that if I want to take my other arm and use that instead of a stick, I can take that in, reach underneath the thigh, and then place the hand and wrist up against this other leg here. Even use the other hand to give that a bit of extra support. Try to drive this knee upwards and drive that leg the opposite direction, or think about stomping your heel into the wall that's away from you there as you exhale. So. Okay, so that's our isometric hip flexion extension. It's a great way to build strength isometrically around the hips without kind of causing any aggravation or irritation here. But also, often we find that it can be quite pain relieving for a number of conditions around the hip and low back, especially SI joint kind of stuff, but definitely, yeah, also great with hip arthritis and some low back chronic tension. Often after doing these ones, we'll also find that a few of the muscles around the hip will fire more strongly. So sometimes it's a great activation that if we want to see things like our glutes just firing a little bit more powerfully. Okay, so I hope that helps.